Hello everyone. I, Ms. Bhavna Danesh Munod, welcome you all in Agricultural Development Trust, Shardabai Pawar, Mahila Arts, Commerce and Science College, Sharda Nagar, Baramati. Okay, children. Last period we have studied regarding two targets of 12 5-year plan. That is, first is economic growth and second is poverty and employment. Now we come to the third part, education. Now, what 12 5-year plan had decided that many years of schooling to increase to 7 years by the end of the 12th plan. Means whatever schools are there, develop that schools, increase the education courses over there in that school. So till 7 years, this course of what improvement in schooling will improve by 12th 5-year plan, children. Means more development of schools, infrastructure of schools will be developed, introduce more new courses in education system. So that government plan during 12th 5-year plan. Then the next is access to higher education with reference to what? Skill development. So government decided to access higher education, and with higher education training will also will be given for development of skills. If you have extra talent, if you have any skills extra, so government decided with education the student should also develop his skills. Then the next was eliminate gender and social gap in school enrollment by the end of the plan. Means what? This point what it tells children, whatever gender differences are there between male and female, whatever gaps are there between male and female, this should be ended in schools. So this was related to education target of 12 5-year plan. What was it? First, government decided that improvement in schools should be there. More schools, if they want, they should develop. Then with education, skills will be also be developed of the students. And the third point regarding education was whatever gender difference is there, whatever gap is there between male and female in schools also, it should be reduced in register in enrollment. That first they were writing says, for example, if we have a school register and attendance is taken children, then first it was boys name and afterwards the roll number was girls. But after this 12 5-year plan, now it is mix. According to the surname, the roll numbers are put. Like male, female, anytime can come. Even girl can get roll number 1. Just simple example I will tell you. Previous in schools, what it was, that first boys were given roll number, first to 10, 20, how many boys were there in class. And then after the boys number was over, then the girls were given the roll number. But now, due to this 12 5-year plan, children, the system of registration of boys and girls, that difference is reduced. Anyone will get any roll number. There will be no gender inequality in schools. So this was the third target of 12 5-year plan, children. Now come to the fourth target related to 12 5-year plan, that is health. Now the fourth children target regarding health. Now what they have told related to health, the total fertility rate should be reduced to 2.1% and reduce undernutrition among children in the age group of 0 to 3 years to half of the NFHS 3 levels. Means what? Total fertility rate, it should be reduced by 2.1%, as well as whatever nutritions are given to the children among the age group of 0 to 2 years, it will be divided in three levels, that is 0 to 3 years, then afterwards it will be 3 to 6 and 6 to 9. So three levels the nutrition process will be given to children by the government related to health. And what is this NFHS meaning? That is National Family Health Survey, children. So an activity is given in your textbook that find out or have an information of various levels of NFHS. So you can go through that. You can search that there are various levels of National Family Health Survey. So the fourth 12 5-year plan priority was health. In that health, the total fertility was reduced to 2.1% they have decided. And the next one was, which government had decided, that nutritious food will be given to children in the age group of 0 to 3 years. That should be to half of the NFHS 3 levels. Means whatever National Family Health Survey will be there, it will be up to 3 levels. Then the fifth point is infrastructure. Now, infrastructure also government planned during this 12 5-year plan. In that infrastructure, investment has to be increased to 9% of GDP. Then connect all villages with all weather roads and increase in rural television and telephone density to 70%. So see, the next target of 12 5-year plan was what? Gross domestic production should increase. So where it will increase? In infrastructure. What is the meaning of infrastructure? Development of roads, dams, buildings, hospitals, that should increase. So what have been decided in that infrastructure planning? That connect all villages. So whatever villages are there, it will be connected with all weather roads. Means roads should be developed proper and villages should be connected to highway road. Whatever rural area is there, connected to urban roads. For example, now whatever rural, you must be observing your up down students are from various rural areas, and we connect all together and we come to, say for example, to a college, Baramati College. Baramati is, say, an urban area, city. So this Baramati is in center for all the college students of rural areas. Why? Because the roads are connected and people can do up down also while studying. So connect all villages with all weather roads, children, they have told. Then the next infrastructure is increase in rural television and telephone density to 70%. Means whatever rural area you have, give them mobile tower connectivity. See, during 4 to 5 years before, say, we didn't have electricity also in rural areas, and we have lots of range problem. Mobile means people used to have mobiles, but the thing was there, when we visited rural area, the mobile range was lost. No range in rural area. So government decided in this 12 5-year plan that whatever phone connectivity is there, whatever telephone problems are there, the range problem, it should be up to 70%. Then the sixth one is environment and sustainability. See, the sixth target is environment. Means what? Protect our nature, preserve environment. So increase green cover by 1 million hectare every year during the 12 plan period. That means government decided whatever environment is there, whatever your area is there, at least 1 million hectare, that particular area will be all whole of green. Means plant more trees, preserve trees, save trees. So this was what planned. According to 1 million hectare plantation of trees should be there. Means that particular area will be called as green zone, green area. So this was decided when? During 12 5-year plan period. Then the last target what government decided during 12 5-year plan was service delivery. Now children, service delivery means what? Whatever banking are giving services toward, bank services are there, it should provide access to banking services to 90% Indian households by the end of this plan. Means increase in banking sector, 90% Indian households will get benefits of banking services sector. So as we know, last 4 to 5 years only, online transactions, online banking services, internet services, then payment we do all online has been improved by last 5 years only. Means increase in banking service sector. So when it was planned during 12 5-year plan, and now we are enjoying that benefit of all online transactions, children, because it was decided during 12 5-year plan that banking service sector should be increased by 90%. Then major subsidies and welfare related beneficiaries to be shifted to a direct cash transfer by using the Aadhaar platform and whatever details are there in bank accounts. So Government, see, use of Aadhaar card also government made compulsory. With the help of Aadhaar card, whatever cash system is there, whatever payment is there, you just have an account, transfer, and government made an Aadhaar platform. Whatever dealings related to banking accounts were there, you can do that transaction, children. Okay. So next period we'll study about more in service delivery.